Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your keyboard size on your Android. How to adjust the keyboard size on your Android phone. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to go to anything that you can use in order to show up your keyboard. So I'm gonna go into the messages right here, click on it, then start chat. And now what you can do is to search for three dots right here. And as you can see here, I have on the left side, I have this icon right here, which shows me two arrows. Click on it, then search for resize or keyboard size from these options right here. And as you can see here, I have found it in this area. Just click on it. Then now you can readjust the size of your keyboard. You can make it very small or even bigger. As you can see, it's very easy and simple. Then after finishing, you can click on OK, and you can also reset it to the normal size, as you can see, then press OK. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.